we have given that I is square root of -1. What is the sum of a plus 3i plus -5 plus 7i? We have here complex numbers, and we have to add two complex numbers. So let me copy our example. We have 8 plus 3i plus -5 plus 7i. So this is equal. How we do this? We have to take down the parentheses and just copy our examples. We have 8 plus 3i, and we have positive before parentheses. So positive and negative give me -5, positive, negative, so it will be -7i. So this is equal, and we have to add or subtract the like terms. We have 8 minus 5, so this is 3, and we have 3i minus 7i. So we copy the sign of a greater number. We have -7, so it will be negative sign. And now from greater number we subtract smaller. 7 minus 3 is 4, and we have to rewrite 5. This is my solution.